As I already said, my wife and my son are the commanders of this channel. So it goes without saying that I would only stick myself to only one platform, that's entertainment. Yes, that is singing, dancing, and acting. Yes, I would definitely not want to talk about politics. Yes, current affairs, whether domestic politics or international politics, current affairs. Yes, because I guess I have been watching the videos, yeah, everywhere. There have been incidents, or the what do you call it, the videos about the accidents, the natural calamities, suicides, or what else, murders, politics. And I don't have any interest, in all these areas. Yes, I have withdrawn my interest out of all these things. Yes, and I simply focus only upon singing, dancing, and acting. Yes, if there have been untoward incidents in the society, being a part of the society, being a sensitive person, being a sensitive citizen of this world, I'm not talking about India as such, being a sensitive citizen of the world, my heart cries when I see someone in tears. Yes, but who am I? I don't have any gadgets in my hand where I can wipe the tears of the crying people. I am not a doctor, I am not a medical advisor that I can give any medical advice to those who are suffering from several alignments, yeah, or disorders, so who am I? And I'm not a spiritually advanced person also, that I can, using my spiritual powers or strengths, I can, heal someone. So I really don't belong to any of such categories. So what is the only category that remains for me? I want to be a part of YouTube. I want to be a part of this particular channel, and I want to grow on this channel. So I would definitely want to sing songs. I would definitely want to act and dance. Yes, my wife and son are with me, so I really wouldn't want to, I wouldn't want to target anyone. I wouldn't want to tarnish anyone's image. I wouldn't want to, use foul words for anyone. I wouldn't want to, associate with anyone. I wouldn't want to amalgamate with anyone. I am a completely different identity, a private identity, an independent identity. Yes, I'm with my wife and my son, and otherwise I don't have anyone else, with whom I would ever want to amalgamate. Thank you.